DIY farmhouse decor. Personalize your open space kitchen and garden. Transforming your open space kitchen and garden into a charming farmhouse retreat doesn't require a professional designer. With some creativity and DIY skills, you can personalize your space to reflect the cozy, rustic aesthetic of farmhouse decor. Here's how you can achieve this timeless look with DIY farmhouse decor ideas. Choosing the right furniture. How to do it. Rustic farmhouse table. Choose a large wooden table with a weathered finish to serve as the centerpiece of your dining area. Reclaimed wood tables are particularly suitable for adding rustic charm. Comfortable seating. Opt for a mix of benches and chairs with cushions in neutral tones. Wicker chairs and metal bistro chairs can also complement the farmhouse style. Durability. Ensure all furniture is weather-resistant and sturdy, capable of withstanding outdoor conditions. Lighting for ambiance. How to do it. String lights. Drape string lights across your dining area to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Edison bulb string lights are perfect for a farmhouse look. Lanterns and candles. Place lanterns on the table and around the perimeter. Use LED candles for safety and longevity. Hanging lights. Install pendant lights or chandeliers above the dining table for a more formal touch. Conclusion: personalizing your open space kitchen and garden with DIY farmhouse decor is a rewarding project that brings rustic charm and warmth to your home. By incorporating elements like reclaimed wood shelves, vintage planters, and cozy outdoor dining areas, you can create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Regular maintenance and seasonal updates will ensure your farmhouse decor remains fresh and inviting for years to come.